It's Johnny Jones, and I am here at home, and today is a very, very special day, because it's a day that we have reached 100 subscribers. That's right. I never thought this day would come, ever in my life. Okay. Don't interrupt me, man. I never thought this day would come in my life. Well, it has, but I expected it, you know. So I had something sort of planned out for it. I like to thank all of my subscribers. Yeah, okay. And Texas Raccoon, he's one of my favorites. Always commenting. You know, you guys have some great comments, very nice comments, and I appreciate it. There's some people that come in and leave thumbs down. That's totally fine with me. My videos are kind of dark, sort of ugly, kind of ill-informed. I get it. I'm not worried about it. I do this for fun. So, I guess this is sort of my 100th subscriber special. I thought I'd talk about what is coming up next on this channel. And this is what all of this has to do with on my bed here. These are all videos in production, and more, and more. So, well, these haven't been in production yet, but these are definitely in the works. Kraco CB picked it up. It does work. We'll talk about Kraco CBs and talk about, you know, a little bit about the sidebands and all that. MFJ Enterprises, you know what that is, maybe you don't. Well, I'm not telling you right now. This, I finally got a good heat sink and fan for my amplifier build. That's right, we are building a 70-watt amplifier for anything from 2 megahertz to 30 megahertz. This, actually, let me tell you about a couple of these first before we get to that. 40 amp solid state amplifier for 2 meters. Pick that up. We're gonna make a video on that. Oh, speaking of 2 meters, guess who picked up a 2-meter radio for his ham license coming up? That's right. I'll show you that later. Anyways, yeah, we're gonna make a video on these. Why? Why are we making a video on those? I already told you. No, you didn't tell them though. Oh, okay. Well, I'm gonna tell you guys. So basically, this works on the FMRS channels, or FRS, Family Radio Service. I'm getting GMRS and FRS. Anyways, Family Radio Service, 2 watts, right? They can't have an antenna that detaches from the radio, and they have to put down 2 watts. It's max power limit. Well, let's see about that. I'm gonna keep these at 2 watts. But I'm going to make that antenna a hell of a lot better. And we're going to see how far we can talk on these Spider-Man walkie-talkies. That's right. Spider-Man walkie-talkies. Hey, listen, I got them for less than $2, so we're going to do something fun with them. You know me. Maybe we'll put up a dipole. Yeah, we'll put up a dipole. See how far I can talk off of 2 watts. The antenna won't be detachable. It's still under FCC guidelines. Ha! This, my friends, is the ultimate. This I have wanted for so long, and I finally have it, but I won't talk too much about it because I want to make a special video on it. This is a free band radio. CB band bike radio. 1976. AM CB. Put it on the front of your bike, pull the antenna out, talk on the radio, but look, no designated channels. Sound like Oprah there. I'm sorry. I apologize for that. I don't want to be anything close to Oprah. Anyways, so you can get in between channels here. It's going to be wonderful. We're going to do some interesting tests with it. See what it works on. See what the inside of it looks like. We're going to see how far those talk. We're going to see how much output power that has. I try to think of something enthusiastic for that, but it's a radio, and yeah, and this is just an SWR meter or 2 meters. So it's not that mysterious. But anyways, pretend it was really interesting what I said. And thank you for subscribing. And stick around for more content. Will it be good content? Mediocre content for sure. Yes, absolutely. So leaning on good. I feel like it's leaning on good. Anyways, so this is Johnny Jones. I'm here at home, and I'll see you later. See you later.